Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's see what's going on. So, market futures indexes are flat, a little bit green, and what's interesting is that the ES made a new all-time high a few days ago, and then last night we got a 1 hour MACD golden cross, but it was a good sign. Maybe we're gonna go for a run up, but right now pre-market we're seeing weakness, and the 1 hour MACD is dead cross again. So in general, it's still we have dark blue bars on the 4 hour. It's still very bullish on the daily TTM squeeze on MACD and the TTM squeeze on daily. And weekly is near having a golden cross, is not confirmed yet, but once it does, it can go for a crazier run up. Um, Market, it's been in a situation that few days rest, consolidation, and then suddenly news or whatever, CPI, PPI, or earning or something, push it up one day, maximum 2 days, and then it goes for a range play. And last 2 days we had some falls, sudden falls without news during the day, during market hours, and but it recovered very fast. So deep buyers are very active, but at the same time, the short sellers are getting a little bit more active too. So gotta be cautious, gotta be ready. Anytime could be another fall, and it can come with a fast recovery until one wins over the other one for a multi-day go. But as I mentioned, in general, direction is not clear. It's just consolidation, and we'll see what it's all about. Nvidia earning. Nvidia has a huge effect on the market Wednesday after close, and we'll see. Pre-market weakness still continues right now, as you can see. 5 is down, 15 is down, 31 hours downward. As always, if you see 1530 MACD golden cross, we can run up again. Um, NQ, same thing like ES, 1531 hours downward, 1 hour is not dead cross yet. And the 4 hour, we need to get light blue bars, and 4 hour, sorry, that's my boy. 4 hour MACD needs to have a golden cross, and then we can have a run up. Daily, it's near edge to have a dark blue bars on the TTM squeeze, so that's another cautious sign. It's possible to have some profit lock-in. Some people maybe exit before Nvidia earning, and at the same time, it's possible maybe we have a run up. So we'll see which situation is gonna come. Dow Jones. We got a light blue bar on the weekly last week, but right now we got a dark blue bar because of a little bit of weakness. Still very bullish on daily. What else you got here? RUT, RTY. We got dark blue bars on daily. DXY run up causing some weakness in market. That's the main thing, and also 10 year. So pre-market right now 1530 1 hour 4 hour is upward, and it's running up. So 104,798, that's a key level you want to watch. If it breaks that one, not gonna be a good sign. If you see DXY pull back, it's gonna be a good sign for market recovery going up again. 10 year is causing some issues. Most of the issues actually this morning. We got a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, jumping up. I don't see any news, but it's running up. 1530 1 hour is upward running a 4.46. That's a key level to watch. If it passes that one, if it goes for a crazy run up, next target is 4.574. Wix is 2% higher. 4 hour is near golden cross, is not confirmed yet, but in general daily weekly is still downward. Once the golden cross on the 4 hour confirms, gotta be cautious and puts are in play. BTC, it's still in the breakout mode, but just up and down. Still very bullish on daily, and but the 4 hour is near dead cross at the same time, so gotta be cautious there. Apple. 4 hours still pointing down, between 188.46 and 190.08, just up and down for now. If it passes 190, we're looking at 191.7 next target. Above that, the next major is 194, but don't see any catalyst for today unless Nvidia is crazy and maybe does have effect on it. If 188 can hold it, 186.45. If you look at the daily chart on Apple, you will see it's in a very tight range, and it's consolidating big time. Keep an eye on Amazon. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. It's, if you look at the daily charts, a 4 hour chart, you will see is that near a wedge breakout, and it's all about breaking a pre-market high. If it does that, we're looking at 186.8, 188.65 next target. Pre-market right now, 5 and 15 are weak, down, pointing down. 30 is near dead cross. So if it does pull back at open, it can go back to 182. But if it breaks the pre-market high, it can run up to 186, 188. I like that the 4 hour is golden cross, but market is weak pre-market on indexes. Nvidia gap up open, it got an upgrade. It's all about opening action. It can open and fail, it can open and jump, so watch the actions that open. 940 and 930, those are the two key levels to watch. 940.99 pass, we're looking at 947, 954 next target. If 931 can hold it, back to 927 and 917.39. We got the first dark blue bar on daily after a while, so as I mentioned, it's possible some people maybe exit before the earning. Um, the AVGO AVGO 4 hour MACD is dead cross confirmed. Premiums are still holding up strong. And yesterday on Friday we got some nice bounce up into the close. But it doesn't have any volume pre-market, so hard to tell right now. Key level to watch is 1402. Past that one, 1419, and above that higher level. 1389 if you can hold it. Looking at 1380, 1371, 1359. Nvidia big effect on it. Coin, it was running up, but BTC is weakening, so it's pulling back. In general, this name is still bearish on the daily and weekly, and premiums are getting killed big time. IV is getting killed, premiums are getting killed, premiums out of the money are getting way cheaper, and on the run up it goes a little bit up, but on the when it pulls back, premiums fall bigger down. Okay, just keep that in mind. um 208, 207 if you can hold it. 204, 202 and 201 next target. Need to pass 210 and 212 for run up to 214, 217 and 220. Netflix, 1 2 points lower. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. In general, daily is still bullish, and the weekly statistic fast is bullish. To 621, if you can pass that, we're looking at 625, 628. 619 can hold it, back to 616, 613 and 611. Meta, uh, Meta is still 4 hours downward, but one daily is bullish upward. 472 is a key level to watch. Past that, we're looking at 474, 477. 470 can hold it. Supports are 468, 465 and 463. Tesla had a nice run up on Friday, but then start weakening, and then market weakened, and it went lower into the close, and then had into like 2 p.m. and then had a nice bounce up into the close. So right now is opening like 50 cents higher. It's still 4 hours, still bullish upward on the MACD, but TTM squeeze is just a mess. If the 1 hour MACD dead cross confirms, not gonna be a good sign. So two key levels to watch this morning is 177.59 and 178.95. If passed either way, it can make a bigger move. Above 178.95, we're looking at 181, 183.35 next target. If 177.59 can hold it, back test 166 and 174. If the 1 hour MACD dead crosses, it's gonna get bearish and go lower. Um, Microsoft, 1 point higher, between 420 and 421, 86 level up and down for now. Past 421, we're looking at 424 and 427. If 420 can hold it, retest 418, 416, 415. Google, 4 hours still upward, very bullish still on daily and weekly. It's opening above 176.48, all-time high. Sorry about my boy. Let me see if it jumps up at open again. 178.44, 180 and 181.62, those are the next target. If 176.48 can hold it, those are the next support level to watch. 175 can go to it, 173.3. AMD had 2 day strong run up, and but note that every day that it runs up, it right away weakens and goes lower. So just keep that in mind. Sellers are there, but at the same time buyers are there. It went up on an upgrade the last 2 days, and it's all about ones right now. Two key levels to watch is 164.46 and 165.8. If 165 can pass this morning again, 167.96 and 170.12. If 164 can hold it, then back to lower level. Nvidia again, big effect on it. SMCI, thanks to Nvidia, jump up 10 points, opening 10 points higher. If 900 pass, we're looking at 912, 928. If 890 can hold it, back to 870 and 853. 4-hour MACD is that cross, so there is weakness there. Be cautious on the jump up. It can be temporary and short term. SPY 50 cents higher. It went down on touchdown 529 and it bounced up. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I was mentioning. This is a market in consolidation. Every rundown it's possible to be short term and then it can bounce up. And you can see here right now we are bouncing up. So if 529 during market hours, if you can hold it 529.63, 528.21, 527.34 support level. If 530 pass, back to 531.04. Need to pass 531 is strong to run up to the higher level, which is 531.82, 533, and 534.34. QQQ. My target on QQQ is 458, and I think most likely it's gonna come. So we'll see if it's gonna come before ending. The all-time high is 454. So if you see a 450 all-time high passes this week before Nvidia earning, 456 is key. Past that one, 458, 456 can come. Still bearish on the 4-hour, downward on TTM squeeze and MACD. But right now is just up and down between 451 and 453. Passes either one can make a bigger move. Above 553.11, next target is 456. I keep saying 5, I'm sorry, 4. Below 451, we're looking at 449, 446, and 445. What else you got here? Gold made a new all-time high, but is getting sold off. So yeah, keep an eye on gold. Last time it did the same thing. It made I think it was like 2 3 months ago, 2 months ago. It made a new all-time high, then it started pulling back, and right now you can see we got a dark blue bar on the 4-hour. What else you got here? Interesting. JP Morgan went all the way to 208 almost. So key level to watch if it jumps up is 208.08, but pre-market showing some weakness. So if you do have some calls, you want to lock gains, because the 4-hour we're getting a dark blue bar, and yeah. What else you got here? GME. We got a light yellow bar on the 4-hour, so watch 22.92. If it passes that one, past that one, it can go for another squeeze at 24, 26, 28. Baba started a little bit weakening. PDD is in a breakout. 180, 148, 44. If it passes, we're looking at 150.28. What else you got here? SLV went up, but then it's pulling back now. That's pretty much it on the major names. Yeah, let me just look at my scanner. Yeah, so yeah, Tesla 180 pass it's easy to go to 185. FSLR, let me see FSLR. FSLR for me 227. That's a key level to watch. Past that one, 203, 207, 212. Those are the next target. ENPH. ENPH is much weaker than FSLR, but 116 is a key level to watch for me. 116.15. Past that one, next targets are 121, 124, and 128. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Just note that pre-market we do have some weakness. It's possible maybe some weakness continues at open, and then maybe does the recovery again upward. So most likely not much expectation because of the Nvidia earning, and until the market is gonna be cool. But at the same time, keep in mind there is a lot of Fed people talking. We got 8:45 Fed Bostic, 9 Bostic, 9 a.m. Fed Bar and Waller, 10:30 Fed Jefferson. It's just too many Fed people talking, and Tuesday a lot of Fed people too. Anyway, have a beautiful day.